I bet you've heard about compound interest 1 million times and how you need to make your money work for you. But while this advice may sound arbitrary, I do want to tell you guys how powerful compound interest can be and how you can actually use it. Compound interest is when you earn interest on not only the original capital you put in, but also the interest that you made. This means that if you invested $10,000 in a fund that returns 10% per year, you would make $1,000 in your first year, but then make $1,100 in your second year, because you also make 10% on the interest payment you received. To just show how powerful compound interest can be, if you started with $0 as your initial investment and you added $1,000 per month at a 7% yearly interest rate, which is actually less than the S&P 500 has returned on average over the last 20 years, after 30 years, the total value of your investments will be over $1 million at $1,170,000. And you might be thinking, oh, most of the money is the money that I actually put in.
Absolutely
wrong.
It's actually the opposite. $809,000 of that money is actually interest that you've earned and not your actual money that you put in. And this is just showing how powerful compound interest is and why, if you're not taking advantage of it, you are being left behind. Using the same example as before, but if we change the timeline from 30 years to 29 years, so you just delay your investment start by 1 year, you might not think that makes a big difference, but it's actually a difference of almost $90,000 by just delaying it by 1 year. Because again, you aren't just missing the $12,000 that you were putting in, but you're also missing on the compounded interest over 29 years. And this just shows how big of a difference the investing timeline makes and how every single year is important when investing your money, because it's giving more time for your money to compound and grow exponentially bigger. And so the best way to take advantage of compound interest is to start investing your money as soon as possible. This does not have to be in the stock market. Even just a high yield saving account, which has no risk associated with it, lets you compound your money. In conclusion, compound interest is not a specific strategy, but it is rather the combination of investing and time which allows you to build wealth. I hope this video was useful for you, and if you enjoyed this video, please leave a like and subscribe. If you have any questions or feedback, please leave a comment down below, and I hope you have a great rest of your day.